3 best low-carb recipes desserts, keto, easy, no bake. Calling all sugar-conscious dessert lovers. Craving something sweet but staying keto? Don't settle for bland bites, whip up these 3 heavenly low-carb treats in no time, with minimal ingredients and 0 baking required. 1. Creamy chocolate mousse, serves 4 to 6. 12 ounces, 340 g, full-fat cream cheese, softened. Half a cup, 120 g, unsweetened cocoa powder. A quarter cup, 60 milliliters, heavy cream. A quarter cup, 60 milliliters, erythritol or monk fruit sweetener, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1. Beat cream cheese, cocoa powder, sweetener, and vanilla until smooth and creamy. 2. Gradually add heavy cream until desired consistency is reached. 3. Divide between serving cups and chill for at least 2 hours. 4. Optional, top with whipped cream, berries, or chopped nuts. 2. No-bake peanut butter cups, makes 12. Half a cup, 115 g, almond butter. A quarter cup, 60 g, unsweetened shredded coconut. A quarter cup, 60 g, melted dark chocolate, 70% or higher. 1/8 cup, 30 g, erythritol or monk fruit sweetener. 1. Mix almond butter, coconut, and sweetener until a thick dough forms. 2. Press into mini muffin cups lined with parchment paper. 3. Melt chocolate, let cool slightly, and pour into each cup, creating a filling. 4. Freeze for at least 30 minutes, or until solid. 3. Refreshing berry parfait, serves 2. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, Greek yogurt, full fat. Half a cup, 120 g, mixed berries, fresh or frozen. A quarter cup, 60 milliliters, chopped almonds or pecans. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1. Layer yogurt, berries, and chia seeds in parfait glasses. 2. Drizzle with vanilla extract and sprinkle with nuts. 3. Chill for at least 30 minutes for chia seeds to soften. These low-carb delights are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without derailing your keto goals. They're also incredibly adaptable. Play with flavors by adding cinnamon to the mousse, using different nut butters in the cups, or switching up the berries in the parfait. Enjoy guilt-free sweetness, keto friends.